Now let's get familiar with function. As you know, subroutine by defining is very simple. Sub my macro and write the code. Unlike the subroutines, functions returns value, and note that returns only one value. To define it, I say function name, fname, and it could be something like that. But for returning value, I could say, for example, as let's say integer, and I could call it and use it. For input argument, we could define it here. I say I as integer. You're not defining them here. Note that we're not using. So I as integer. As an example, I want to make it a square. I say I equal I multiply by I. And for returning value, give the function name fname equal I. And here I could call my function. As an example, I say message box, name the function fname, open parentheses, what value? As an example, 4. So we send the 4 into the f number as the entrance argument. It's gonna be squared and return the value 4 by 4. Sorry, I written the wrong name, fname. Let's run it as 16. I said 3, gonna get 9. In the next video, I will give a practice to get more familiar with functions.